Hey loves, it is your girl L to the A to the L, lovely angel lady, just showing you everything that you will need to make our 24K Angel Glow Body Shimmer Oil. All right, we got to start off by sanitizing our hands, of course. When you are making products, especially to sell, you want to do this. And because we're making them to sell, I also have to use gloves. Gotta be safe and not sorry when you are making products for others. So got that together, y'all. I got this little measuring cup, but we are going to start out with our coconut oil. I got these oils from Amazon. I will list everything below in the description box for y'all. But I'm going to pour about, not really half. I'm going to pour like quite a bit of the bottle of each one because I am trying to fill 12 bottles, if that makes sense. So we got our oil, and I'm just showing you the oil. And that's about where it is, okay? And so we're going to pour that into our metal bowl. And then now we're going to add our vitamin E oil. I do this by eye. So, you know, you pretty much do you when you do this. Be creative, add your special touch. Vitamin E oil is really good for the skin, and so I like to include that in most of my products. This is Lynn Natural Preservative. I ordered mine on Amazon, but the reason is because you want to be safe and not sorry. But I put 2 droppers full. I was just showing y'all that because your customers could be near water or like at the beach or something and apply that. And so that just really helps protect them so that the product doesn't grow any like mold or anything like that. But we are putting in our mica powder, and this is our Scent of a Woman fragrance oil. So the one we are using is Bali Mango. That's the one we're going to use today. Bali Mango smells so divine. Oh my goodness, y'all, it smells so good. So you want, when you're making a larger batch, you want to really be generous with the amount of scent, not too heavy, but enough. But this is our gold Himway glitter, and I got this from Amazon as well. And that's why we call this one 24K all day. We're just giving that a good mix. Okay. Yeah, just using the rubber spatula. But this is what it looks like close up so y'all can see. The mica powder and the glitter look so beautiful together. Just transferring that back into the clean measuring cup. And I'm going to give that a stir again because when you're actually putting that in the bottles, you don't want like everything to be separated, you know? So I got these bottles also from Amazon. I got a set of, I don't know if it's like 10 or 12. But I'll try to find the link for that as well for y'all. This just makes putting it in the bottle so much easier, okay? So that's just what we're going to do. You are definitely going to need to have a funnel. My funnels are silicone, and so you can pop them flat and, you know, pop them back up. But I love how soft the silicone is, and they fit perfectly in the jars. They come in different sizes, but you see how easy that is? Just basically put that in and use the bottle, squirt it in there, put the top on, and you're good to go. Y'all will notice that in this video that I had different lids, but I am selling these with droppers, okay? So, and the reason is because when you're trying to pump so much glitter, and mine is really shimmery and nice and, you know, not super thick, but to where it's well coated to where you will glow, honey, okay? because we ain't come to play. We came to stay and we came to glow. So we are going to be glowing to perfection. So yeah, so get that funnel, pop that in there, shake it a little bit so you don't get your bottles all gross and oily, and then just put the cap on. So the only difference is that I changed out the cap and I'm using droppers instead of spray. But my bottles are glass. Got those on Amazon, very affordable. Just showing y'all a side view. This is so satisfying to watch, ain't it? Oh, so we're going to go ahead and make sure that it's shaken up first. And then just pour it in there. And I'm just showing y'all a side view so you see how easy it is. Very simple. But it smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. You got to go order you some. Go on the website. lovelyangelshop.com. I'll drop it below for y'all, okay? But this is the finished product. This is what she is looking like. 24K is here to stay all day. We're going to take some isopropyl alcohol and just wipe the glass bottle down. That way when we put our labels on, they stick properly. They don't come all undone and bubble and all that. It just removes the oil, the excess oil from off the bottle. Okay? Please subscribe, y'all. Join the LAL fam. I'd love to have you in my life. Don't forget to tap that alert bell. And your girl will have more entrepreneur, business owner videos for y'all, okay? Just showing y'all this is what it looks like to wear 24K, okay? Because I know a lot of people don't show y'all what the products look like, so I just wanted y'all to see. Your girl is glowing. But cop yours today, y'all. Your girl loves you. Be blessed. Bye-bye.